So how can technology help make the execution of routes smarter and more predictable without adding extra workload?
What you see is that people start working with routes, and when they are digitalized, you get the information at the right way to persons. And when you get that they use the tools, you see all the progress of the day. That makes it really easy for everyone to get the same shared knowledge of how the day is working and progressing, and they can finish the day together. It's easy for the driver, and what needs to be done every day or every few days is that when there are exceptions, when there are things that are not the same than people expect, and that might be traffic jams or roadblocks or whatever, then they need to feedback the organization with what they experience. And within our software, it's really easy to give those exceptions a place so that people that execute the route the next time get informed in time. And by making it easy to update on the routes, the execution will be better next time. It's a self-learning process. Every time you put in a little bit extra information, but that makes the system stronger and helps all drivers on the execution.